Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you boat neck design for silk sarees. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we know that blouse are no longer just used to cover the body upper part. Currently, blouses hold a lot of importance in Indian ethnic wear segment. Nowadays, women want to look better than the rest. This concept triggered a creativity of many designers experimenting with various blouse patterns, especially the blouse boatneck design. This video we are showing you some of the best blouse boatneck design for your silk sarees. Friends, long year ago, the design always focused on front neck design, but currently the modern blouse design focused on front and back neck design. Friends, the back neck design is most visible part of our blouse and is ideal for playing around with design. Friends, selecting the right blouse boat neck pattern that complement your body shape is important to make a flattering and stylish look. Friends, boat neck design for silk saree is a special design that brides wear on their wedding day and engagement. It is an important part of the bridal outfit and need to be heavily designed to complement the bridal sarees. Friends, there are many different boat neck design of bridal blouse ranging from simple and understated to elaborate and intricate. When selecting a boat neck design, it is important to consider the bride's preference and comfort level. Pairing with this kind of boat neck blouse design with heavy silk saree, it adds elegance to your look with its royal silk fabric and intricate design. Friends, the boat neck design with velvet fabric is fashioned with luxury velvet fabric, adding a touch of allure to the overall look. Friends, the boat neck blouse showcase the attention to the entire artery. The boat neck blouse with off sleeve blend effectively elevating the design. The high boat neckline is graceful, enhancing your outlook at special occasion or traditional event. Friends, the boat neck blouse with embroidery work truly set a traditional form that make contemporary elegance. The luxury fabric make it a standout piece on any special occasion. The work on the neckline and sleeve is simply a make a legal look. Friends, I hope you guys will love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.